My name is Francois Beetga. I'm from PTSA. I'm the regional manager for the Gauteng district. I'm from PTSA, so here's what we do. We are the voice of the tooling industry for South Africa. With us, you can connect, collaborate with innovators. We, as the association, we are there to rehabilitate the TDM sector. As part of our programs, we offer skills development, the PTSA TDM Powered Apprenticeship Program. So the program has got a knowledge phase, a practical phase, as well as on-job training, where we send you into industry to apply what you have learned. We do trade tests as well, so we're a one-stop solution. We train you, and we trade test you that you're a prepared individual to go into the workplace. We have minimum requirements as per QCTO, which is grade 12, N3 or NCV4. So compulsory subjects are maths, and pure science, or technical maths and technical science as well. Our occupation is NQF Level 5 Toolmaker. It's an occupational certificate. It's a full 4-year program where we teach you to do manual machining, as you can see, manual turning, manual milling, as well as manual surface grinding. Then, level 2, we teach you how to work CNC machines. We do CNC milling, as well as CNC turning. In year 3, we do what we call advanced machining, where we teach you how to use an EDM plunge machine, typically to create molds that is used in the manufacturing of any plastic or polymer car product, vehicle product. Then we teach you wire erosion, that process is used to make molds or dye specifically to punch out or stamp out vehicle components. In your final phase to prepare you as a toolmaker artisan, we do a projects phase, where we do a 2-cavity mold, where you make a keyring. And we as well do a 7-stage progression die, where you design your own tool, you produce it, and you stamp a keyring. The finished keyring is something like this. So when you are done with that, we apply for your serial number at the CETA after verification from QCTO. We put you through trade test. You're a qualified artisan. You become a gainful employed member of society. Again, one-stop shop. And I can say this, as going through our program, you are fast-tracked into employment, with our program offering probably one of the world's most or highest absorption rates that I know of any program, which is 95%. As a standard, as it currently sits, our 21 and 2018 cohorts have a full of 100% absorption rate into industry, with everyone being employed. Meaning, even if our members ask for students, we've got none to give, because all of them are employed. So if you want to go into a career path where you can be gainfully employed, make a very decent living as an employee, make above to high income as an entrepreneur, and there's various vehicles that is available to finance you to become an entrepreneur. This is the career path that you need to choose to make sure that the manufacturing sector and the industry as a whole in South Africa stays afloat, our GDP increases, and we stop this thing of a high youth unemployment rate, and we get the youth gainfully employed again. Thank you.